Hello and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Dalis, but you might know me as Stamper Girl. I am kicking off this brand new release. Watch till the end of this video for an amazing promotional offer. This new release includes 2 paper packs, 2 stamp sets with coordinating die cuts, new cover plate, and a new set of embellishments. Let's start with the large 6x8 stamp set called Farmhouse. This stamp set has 14 stamps with a farmhouse theme. Barn, windmill, a wreath, some gardening tools, tractor, a stack of adorable farm animals, picnic table, a rooster, a vase, eggs is just all you need to make a fun, adorable card. And it's coordinating die cuts. The 4x6 stamp set is called Farmhouse Sentiments, and it has a total of 14 stamps. 12 of them are sentiments and 2 fillers, which is the heart and the little sunflower. The set includes some punny sentiments like good luck, just checking in, how's going, love moo. This set also has a coordinated set of die cuts to cut every single item, all 12 sentiments and the 2 fillers. The first paper pack that I will show you is part of the Farmhouse Collection. It is a 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock, 12 patterns, and 4 of each design. These paper packs are of a pretty thick cardstock, and let's flip through them. But if you want to see more in detail each of the patterns, make sure that you watch the introduction to the Farmhouse release video. The second set of paper packs is the 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock Autumn Glitter. This has 6 patterns and 4 of each designs. Kat Scrappiness Glitter is a printed glitter that will never rub off. No glitter mess on your hands. Here are some of the gorgeous colors: lime green, yellow, a bright orange. We also have in this pack a warmer orange, a brown, and a copper color. If you want to see more in details these patterns, make sure you watch the introduction video for the Autumn Glitter paper pack. Last but not least is the cover plate. This is an A2 size cover plate, and it will cut out outside border and the stitching lines and emboss or deboss the lines in between. This slideshow includes a few release projects from our crew team members. Enjoy! Now it's the perfect time to let you know about the new promotion that is coming with the Farmhouse Collection. The coupon code is on the farm. Code is good for 48 hours starting Saturday at midnight till Sunday 11:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time only. Discount is anywhere from 5 to 25% off Kat Scrappiness products only. Once you have entered the code on your card and you add some Kat Scrappiness products, you should be able to see the discount on your card. Do not miss out this promotion. New products never go on sale. And remember, don't leave your crafting for tomorrow. Start today.